special discount code TRAFFICLAUNCH for an additional discount during launch week only. Learn and earn. Use this information in your business and also sell this high-demand product as your own with the included PLR rights. Every website and product offer needs traffic. But getting high-quality traffic can be complicated. Not anymore. Introducing the Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. Learn how to grow your own business with high-converting traffic. Improve conversions and sales with higher quality traffic. After you have read the materials, you can sell this ebook as your own with the included PLR rights. Knowing how to get high-converting traffic is a valuable skill for every business owner. Traffic generation is the #1 priority for all online businesses. No traffic equals no sales. Low introductory price. Let me ask you, does this sound familiar? I have been involved in online marketing for over 20 years. And over those 20 years I made a ton of mistakes. Mostly when it came to getting quality traffic to my sites and offers. I cannot tell you how many hours I spent going after the wrong traffic and getting horrible results. And don't even get me started on how much money I wasted either. I almost quit out of frustration, but fortunately I didn't. Instead I met a man who told me to stop doing what I was doing and to instead approach traffic generation differently. I followed his advice, and in my next launch I made over $4,000 in just 5 days, and did even better in my next 2 launches. And since then I have never looked back. And the best part is that it was dead easy to get the traffic I needed when I needed it. Even more important, I no longer waste my valuable time and money doing things that will never give me the results I need in my business. Instead, I spend my time doing more with my grandchildren, traveling and just doing more of what I want to do in my life. Life is all about having choices and options, and my online business has given me both. It's a great feeling. One you can have in your life too. Learn how to get the quality traffic you need to sell your products and services. Here's a summary of the benefits of Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. Here is why Insight Series manuals will be a great product to help you in your business. Critical information. Understanding how to generate high-converting traffic is an extremely important skill. Completely original. Every word written by us. Completely original content not available anywhere else. Works with any business. This works with any business or product. If you sell online, this information can help you. Valuable information. Every online business or affiliate marketer needs quality traffic for their pages and offers. Introducing the brand new Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. The Insight Series manuals help anyone create and develop an online business that will compete effectively in any niche with any product. Traffic Generation Workshop shows you how to get high-quality and targeted traffic to your pages and offers. Traffic that will convert to sales. Traffic is the lifeblood of every online business. The more quality traffic you get to your pages, the more sales your business will make. You will love Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop because gives you the information you need to compete. Get higher quality traffic to your pages and offers. Learn which types of traffic to avoid like the plague. Spend less for higher quality traffic. Works in any niche or with any product. Improve conversions with higher quality traffic. PLR rights allow you to sell this as your own. Priced extremely low during this launch period. What exactly are Insight Series manuals? Insight Series manuals are the result of extensive research into what our customers want when it comes to high-quality online training. They want to learn a specific topic without a lot of frills or other information. In other words, they want to learn what they want to learn and they want to learn it fast. Inside Series manuals address a single topic and give you what you need to know to get started in one specific area of online business or marketing. Information that will help you get your business up and running or improve your existing business quickly and easily. Our research told us that people do not want to read 250-400-page books in order to learn something. But they also wanted something more than a cheesy 15-page ebook that did not thoroughly cover a topic either. So the Inside Series manuals were born. Manuals designed to give people what they want in the easiest and fastest way possible. Manuals that provide high-quality training without the high-quality price tag. Manuals that help you get the results you want. And after you learn, you can earn. You can also sell Inside Series Traffic Generation Workshop to your customers with the included PLR rights. Think about what it would mean to you to have your own product in this high-demand niche. Think about something for a moment. How would you like to have your own product in a huge niche with a giant pool of prospective customers? How easy will it be for you to be successful in a niche that is known for having a lot of hungry buyers? How many sales could you make selling this high-demand product with an almost universal appeal? Imagine what Traffic Generation Workshop could do for you when added to your business. Your customers will love Inside Series Traffic Generation Workshop because there are no special skills or knowledge required. Helps you get the right people to your pages and offer. Creates a group of highly interested potential buyers. Brings targeted people to your website and offers. Completely legal and ethical. No black hat techniques. No more having to deal with low converting traffic. Create a growing business with high converting traffic. Works in any niche and any product. Get better results without needing more traffic. Higher conversions means higher engagement. Here are several reasons why you should purchase Traffic Generation Workshop PLR Edition today. Benefits for you. Benefits for your business. Learning how to drive traffic is a very important skill. Enables you to generate high-quality traffic. Saves you valuable time and money. Helps you generate better quality traffic to increase sales. Gives you an advantage over other business owners. Great product for you to sell as your own. Sell it or break it up for lead magnets. Over 1 billion searches every year for online marketing. Gives your business instant credibility in your niche. Establishes you as a business with a quality product to sell. Okay. Now for the important question. What can I do with this PLR product? With the Inside Series Traffic Generation Workshop PLR product you can sell it as your own product. Rebrand this book with your name on it and sell it as your own product. Become an instant authority. Break up the content any way you wish. Use it as blog posts, articles, start a membership site, or anything you might imagine. Establish yourself as an expert. Use the information to help establish yourself as an expert and improve your standing in your niche. Build a profitable, huge buyer list. Use the content to create lead magnets, other products, or to grow your list fast. Even more important, what's in it for you? When you purchase Traffic Generation Workshop, you get a great product to sell as your own. Sell this high-quality ebook to everyone else as your own product. Just add your name and start selling. Can be part a great high-demand niche. This is a very large niche with a lot of highly motivated buyers eager for this type of product. Sell unlimited copies and keep 100%. Sell this at any price you like and keep 100% of the profits. Sell unlimited copies as well. Use the information in your own business. Use the Traffic Generation Workshop in your own business to create higher converting traffic. Pick up Traffic Generation Workshop today and get these amazing limited time bonuses. Note: Insider Club membership for purchaser only. Insight Series traffic. You should stay away from guide. All traffic is not created equal. Find out from our experiences which traffic sources might not be worth your time or effort. Save your time and money with this handy guide. Insight Traffic Quick Start Checklist. Get started fast with our Quick Start Checklist. This checklist will enable you to jump-start your traffic generation even before you start reading the manual. Insight Series Resource Guide. Find out which resources we use in our business, so you can be assured that you get something that will work in your business as well. From page builders to autoresponders to email services, we cover it all. Invitation to our Insiders Club. If you like great insider deals not available to the general public, this is the place for you. Every month we will offer one of our products at a discount of between 60–90%. Only members are eligible, and you can join via invitation only. It costs nothing to join and there are no purchase requirements ever. What is included in your Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop? PLR Package. 62-page professionally written 17,200-word ebook. Professionally designed graphics. Traffic Checklist. Insight Series Resource Guide. Invitation to our Insiders Club. Act now and take advantage of our limited time launch special pricing. Use special discount code TRAFFICLAUNCH for additional discount during launch week only. Regular price $67. Special limited time launch pricing only $17. 62-page 17,200-word completely original professionally written ebook. Insight Series Resource Guide. Insight Series Traffic Checklist. Invitation to our Insiders Club. 14-day no-hassle guarantee. PLR rights to traffic generation to sell as your own product. Insight Series Traffic Generation Manual. SHHHHHH. Here is the secret reason why this is priced so low. The Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop is just one of the Insight Series manuals we are creating with you, the online businessmen, in mind. We know if we can just get one of our manuals in your hands, you will be blown away by the value of each manual. Once you see the value of an Insight Series manual, you are very likely to come back and buy more from us in the future. So this is kind of a selfish reason for the low price, and we both benefit from it. That is my little secret. It is all about being honest, upfront and transparent. Money back guarantee. Insight Series manuals are covered by our no-hassle 14-day guarantee. If you don't think our product is everything we said it is, then just ask for a complete refund. We take all the risk out of your purchase. Frequently asked questions. Will this work with my products? The Traffic Generation Workshop will work with any product in any niche. What can I do with the PLR rights? You can sell this product as your own. You may change it and rebrand it as your own. Are there any recurring charges? This is a one-time charge. There will be no recurring charges. Are there any special skills required? Not at all. Anyone who can read and write can implement this method. There are no special skills or knowledge required to use any part of this method. Are there any autos? There is an auto for a set of other Insight Series manuals, but this is totally optional. Is there any guarantee? Absolutely. You are 100% covered under our no-hassle 14-day guarantee. If you are not satisfied, just request a refund. Disclaimer. This page is not affiliated with Facebook or Google or any other social media system. Every effort has been made to keep the claims and product descriptions as accurate as possible. The amount of money, if any, that you can make from this product is strictly dependent upon the effort you put into marketing and promoting this product. We make no guarantees or income claims whatsoever, as it is dependent on many other factors including your personal efforts. 2021 InsideSeries.com. All rights reserved.